I'd like to talk you through how Loop is expanding its global footprint this year, how we are continuously improving our current commercial products for higher performance and lower costs, and finally, about our exciting new product developments that we believe will allow us to maintain a technology leadership position into the future. Firstly, our expanding global footprint for service and support. As we expand our customer base around the world, it is important that we stay close to our customers so that we can minimize delays related to shipping or travel or simply time zone differences. As you know, we're headquartered in the Vancouver area, which gives us great access to fuel cell expertise. But we're seeing strong market pull from areas in Asia and Europe. So in 2021, we built up a new facility in China that includes both manufacturing and service and support. And in 2022, we plan to follow that up with a physical presence in Europe, beginning with a focus on integration support and fleet operation maintenance and service. At the same time, we are installing new semi-automated production equipment and dedicated production test stations that will debottleneck our operations and allow us to produce products at our main facility in Canada at medium volume and high quality. Next, our product development and testing groups are working closely with our technology development group to continuously improve our current commercial products. We're focused on improving reliability and durability of our products for our customers and on reducing the total cost of ownership. Our supply chain team works with the engineering group to make strategic make versus buy decisions, qualify suppliers, and investigate opportunities for improvement. Sean's team contributes to this effort with material investigations and by keeping a close eye in general on advancements in the industry as a whole, including things that specifically apply to Eflo technology.
That's right, Daryl. Within technology development, we continuously assess the marketplace for new materials and what we can use to advance our Eflo technology. Some of you may be asking, what is Eflo technology? To answer that question, we need to first address an inherent challenge that the fuel cell operation has specifically. Fuel cells do not produce power uniformly across the entire cell area. The inlet area of most fuel cells produce much more power than the outlet areas do, with a lot of commercial products ranging from 40 to 100% variation. Loop's patented Eflo designs provides an increase in gas velocity within the stack, and that manipulates the flow of air and hydrogen and helps get rid of our product water. Because our designs produce much more power uniformly across the entire cell, we can now effectively use the platinum and the membrane, the expensive components, in a much more efficient fashion. Why is this important commercially? Well, producing power in a uniform manner utilizes all those expensive components in a much more uniform way and enables Loop to provide options to our customers. Namely, we can provide more efficient stacks to reduce operational expenses, or we can produce more powerful stacks with the same amount of expensive components. Also, if we do choose to, we could provide equally powerful stacks with a reduced amount of those expensive components. This provides Loops with options to deliver the best total cost of ownership to our customers, depending on what their application is.
Yes, so one of our most exciting developments is the physical scale-up of our Eflo technology into a larger plate design that the team at Loop has been developing recently. We expect that this new technology will not only scale up the size of the plate while maintaining the performance advantages of the Eflo concept, but may actually improve the performance beyond our current commercial product levels. We expect that our first product with this new plate design will be capable of producing 120 kilowatts of power from a single fuel cell stack, making this technology well suited for the larger heavy-duty commercial markets, as well as offering opportunities for cost reduction in the future for smaller product ranges. Speaking of cost reduction, we're installing the equipment, the human resources, and the systems necessary to achieve high efficiency in our facilities both in Burnaby and in Shanghai. We're working closely with our supply chain to reduce our material costs as we increase our volumes, and in our own facilities, we are planning to increase production capacity from 100 to 400 engines in the year end and beyond 1,000 by the end of next year. Of course, there's a lot more than that going on too. Sean, can you explain to Vivian your focus for this year?
Absolutely. We are not currently doing primary research. We're focused on development projects that we expect will improve the total cost of ownership for all of our customers' applications. This has always been core to Loop and remains our focus. The key goal is to make our customers more competitive against incumbent diesel applications. And the real trick is to do this in low volumes, which will facilitate adoption and achieve profitability as soon as possible. Which is why the tech team has a laser-tight focus, For instance, we're engaged in an effort to directly reduce the cost of our stack components. We're also looking to lower stack build times, which will support the scaling up of our capacity. Given the stage of the technology, and indeed our company, we are convinced this is the right thing to be focused on, and it's critical to creating a bigger market.
That's great, Sean, and it's really helpful to us. We know you're also looking at things in the longer term in the future. Maybe you can tell Vivian how you're looking at how Eflo applies in the electrolyzer space.
Sure, no problem. We also believe that there is tremendous opportunity in the hydrogen production segment of the market. With this in mind, Loop has launched several projects aimed at verifying how the fluid flow and thermal management innovations within our PEM fuel cell designs may also offer benefits to PEM electrolyzer efficiency and function. As the value proposition is further clarified in 2022, we will consider what options may be most beneficial for Loop in terms of commercialization. This would ultimately lead and allow Loop to participate in the full cycle of the hydrogen market, hydrogen production and hydrogen use. Well, I think that's all from us.